Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today we're meeting up with our buddy Owen, who we met a couple videos ago, who owns a DRZ400SM. So we're just chilling at the art museum waiting for him, and we're gonna ride here shortly. What's up, dude? How we doing? That quad literally has a little kid wheeling. What the fuck? But yeah guys, we're out riding with Owen. We're just gonna hit some random roads, definitely pop some wheelies along the way, just to enjoy this nice weather. I think we're going this way, right? Yeah. Yeah guys, so plan is we're just gonna ride up Kelly now, see if we can't find some back roads. Need to wheelie this thing. We haven't wheelied yet today, but that's for sure gonna be coming very shortly. It's a beautiful night. It's actually a little cool out. Water looks so nice. And I'm just hyped to be with another supermoto, or with a supermoto, I guess, because I'm not technically one. Maybe soon. Buying that truck really did slow the process of getting supermoto wheels, but I would say that's long-term a way better investment, because now I have an actual vehicle. Oh, there's so much traffic. I need to do a wheelie here shortly, otherwise I'm going through withdrawal, wheelie withdrawal. Woo, some twisties! On the dirt wheels. This is a whole new level of texting and driving. We need the music though. Now we got the jams. Oh, let's not forget we're on Nobbies. Random ass place. I've never ridden in here. This is just like a development, I think. Wheelies are coming up so smooth now. All right, we're trying to go to like some park area because there's nice roads around there. But we got a little bit lost on the way, it seems. But it's all good. Beautiful weather. The whole stand-up thing is so fun when you're in the wheelie. I gotta learn to stand up and sit back down though. That would be sick. Woo! You like that? I know. This woman definitely would like that. Totally looks like the woman who would like that. Baby wheelies. Woo! Beautiful. And we got freaking Lance Armstrong and co. Oh, he wants me to do a wheelie. I can do a wheelie. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is beautiful. It's like we're in Hawaii right now. Oh yeah. Look at all the geese. What's up, guys? Dude, they don't give a fuck.
They got a whole train of them going back to where they want to go.
Oh, look at all the babies, too. What was that? Alright guys, we just stopped off a little Wissahickon Park. It's actually so cool, it feels amazing. And we're just gonna see what we can't find. No real destination. Woohoo! Frickin' bumpy here. I guess we should wheelie. Got some lacrosse going on. Oh, this is Lincoln Drive again. Let's go left, I guess. Ooh. DRZ looks nice. Looks so nice. The Sumos too. This damn glove. I had to take it off to get it work. To get my touchscreen to work. God damn it. Can't get this damn thing out. Woo! Oh yeah, look at that beautiful view. Got some golfers out. The sunset. Yeah guys, for those of you who saw the last video, I did buy a Ford Ranger. If you missed it, check it out here. But got a crazy good deal on it. Only has 52,000 miles. It's a little 4-cylinder, little underpowered baby. That's okay though, it's better on gas. But it's a 5-speed manual. I've driven manual before, but you know, still getting used to it. But I love it. It's got like the perfect size factor. So in the city, it's still okay to park, and I've been pretty happy with it so far. I'm gonna take it in for a little tune-up, just get the plugs checked, get the oil change, just new wires, just to make it nice and clean, do some preventative maintenance, and get it pristine. But I'm so excited for the adventures that that's gonna bring. Just enjoying these roads here. I hope you guys can hear how good this bike sounds. Oh, this is just so nice. I just said this is a strip I'll come to sometimes, and like there's usually like other bikes here sometimes, like doing wheelies and shit.
The guy just rolled out.
Yeah, I saw that. He just rolled it. Why the fuck did he roll out in front of you?
I don't know.
He literally saw me and rolled right out in front of you.
Right around him, yeah.
Yeah, I was so confused. I know there's a little bump there. Don't want to mess with that little bump. Cool little spot on the water here. Yeah. Like that's why I said before I'd like to come up to Conshohocken, because like this is awesome to practice on. We'll swing back up, and there's another beautiful road. Oh my god. Dude, I looked over, I saw you slip a little. I'm like, fuck. Yo, at least I was recording. God damn. Dude, I'm like, oh shit. I like knew my fate 3 seconds before because I saw you slip. Dude, I'm just glad my whole fucking body didn't go in. I thought I was gonna slide right the fuck down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Eat my roost. Beautiful sunset, vibes, immaculate. I always say that when I'm right in this spot. Hey! Smells like manure. Maybe it's my bike that stinks today. Maybe do an oil change or a full service. right, I think we're going to slowly start sort of heading back, but still just enjoying these roads.
Pushing to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the